Hey, day 2 of this 20-minute transformation workout. I'm so excited to tell you about it. I'm drinking my post-workout recovery shake. It's not even a shake, it's like freaking chocolate milk. And honestly, it's the only reason I work out is to drink this, because if you don't drink it, like, you didn't earn it, right? Okay, so let's talk about day 2 workout. It was called Faster, and it was fast. Of course, as I mentioned before, there is a modifier and a modifier of a modifier, because if you remember, this is a 20-minute program, 6 days a week, 6 weeks. It uses a step, which is super cool. And it just, like, instead of just regular cardio, it just gives you so many more options to do things. And let's be honest, the step is like this tall. Not even as tall as my head. Of course, there are risers, but like, you don't want to start off using risers. But basically, you're doing cardio on a step, and it gives you a lot of different options to be able to do moves in a different way. Your muscles are working how they haven't necessarily worked before. Because let's be honest, you're doing a squat and you put one of your feet up on the riser, like, you're contracting different muscles, or rather the same muscles, but in a different fashion. And I can only imagine like what's going to happen with the booty by the time this is done. And I realized I didn't really take good booty pics yesterday when I did my before pics. I may have to do that. But again, the workout today was called Faster. And let me be honest with you, this trainer is just so like, yes, you're doing 20 minutes, you're doing cardio, you're doing it for your body, but it's really so much more than that. You are challenging yourself. You are like pushing yourself, and you're being competitive with yourself. If you recall, I said yesterday, we have these things called transformers. So you do 3 different moves during the 20 minutes. You get a tally of how many times you did the move. And then next week, we're going to do it again to see how we improved or increase those numbers. But really, I can see that there are going to be workouts during this program where I will probably shed a tear, because, you need to take time for yourself in life. And taking 20 minutes out of your day to push yourself, to get a sweat on, like, yes, this was 20 minutes. I don't wear a heart rate monitor, so I don't know how many calories I burned, and I don't even know that, like, I think you have to get a really super expensive one for it to actually even be accurate. But it was 20 minutes of, like, you are pushing your body and you are doing great things for your body, and it just feels so good. Like, afterwards, you're just thankful, right? I'm just thankful I can work out. There are so many people in this world who can't. So many people in this world who have sickness and illness that they can't move their body. So it was, so again, the program or the workout today was called Faster, and we did some really awesome moves that were fun. And I think what I like to do from every workout is I really like to try and find one move that's like my move, like my favorite, and one that I'm gonna like, and then I also like to find one that I really hate and the one I think that sucks, because by the end of the program I really want to improve myself on it. So today, 20 minutes, it was called Faster. Definitely got a sweat on. My house was just as cold today, but for some reason I just maybe worked different muscles or whatnot. I just sweat definitely more than yesterday. And then of course, again, I do modified, let's be honest. So people use a step, and then there's a modifier on the step, which is a little bit slower. And then there's a person who doesn't use a step. So I figure I'm going to come live every day for the first week to let you know what the workouts are. And then after that, I'll give you weekly updates. But today was day 2 of the 6-week transformation group program, workout, whatever you want to call it. It was called Faster, and I look forward to getting faster next week. Other than that, you guys have a blessed Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow.